Hello viewers, Samsung phone app icon color change problem. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. So let's see the step. For solving this problem, first of all go to settings. Now scroll down and go to wallpaper and style option. From here you can see color palette option. Just click on this option. Here you can see many option. Another way you can get this option, so go back to main settings. Now click on search bar and search color. Here you can see color palette option. Just click on this option. Now here you can see same option. Now disable apply palette to app icon and also color palette option. Just disable this option. Now click on apply. Go back to home screen and see app icon color changed. In this way you can easily solve this problem. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.